Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook apple pie. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 medium-sized apples, 2 pie crusts, and a few pantry staples. Begin by peeling, coring, and thinly slicing your apples. Aim for uniform slices, about 1/4 inch thick, to ensure even cooking. This preparation is key for a perfect pie. Now let's create that delicious filling. In a large bowl, combine your prepared apple slices with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a tiny pinch of ground cloves for warmth. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or cornstarch to help thicken the juices as it bakes. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble the pie. Carefully place 1 pie crust into a 9-inch pie dish, pressing it gently into the bottom and sides. Trim any excess dough, leaving about a 1/2 inch overhang. Now, spoon your apple filling evenly into the crust, mounding it slightly in the middle. Place the second crust over the top, crimp the edges to seal, and cut a few small vents. Almost there. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie for 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 3 hours before slicing. Patience is key for the perfect set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.